Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this Lego 99. You're going to take the legs from this young Boba Fett. You are then going to take the torso from this Dumbledore minifigure. And then finally you're going to want to take the head from this Newt Scamander minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I think this minifigure definitely turned out okay. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the right skin tone. However, this does fit in with the Clone Wars style and the realistic style clone troopers, if you want to use it. If you have any ideas for any previous custom minifigures you would like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you're not subscribed, I'd highly recommend you do so, because then you'll be notified when the next video comes out. If you'd like to watch some more tutorials, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now.